Hi, hello everyone. Let's start with the content video PPT number 3. I'm Hariharasudan. I'm from the Department of Computer Science with Cybersecurity from the College of Dr. S.N.S. College of Arts and Science. This content is based on the RDBMS. Previously, we've seen the 3-scheme architecture. Let's continue this. In previous 3-scheme architecture, it starts with internal level, conceptual level, and then third one is external level. First, internal level. The internal level has a internal schema which describes the specific physical storage structure of a database. Next, conceptual level. The conceptual scheme describes the design of a database at the spectral level. Spectral level is also known as logical level. Next, third one is external level. All the external level, a database contains several schemes that sometimes called as subschemes. The subschemes is called the describe the different view of the database. An external scheme is also known as view scheme. Next, we start with data model, schema, and incest. First scheme. A overall design of a database is called a scheme. A database scheme is skeleton structure of a database. It represents the logical view of the entire database. A scheme contains scheme object like table, foreign key, primary key, views, columns, data type, and stored procedures, etc. Instance, the data which is stored in the database at a particular moment of a time is called as distance of a database. Next, go with data independence. Data independence. A data independence refers to characteristics of being able to modify the scheme at one level of a database system without altering the scheme at the next higher level. There are two types of data implementation. First one is logical data implement and second one is physical data independence. Logical data independence says that user should be able to manipulate the logical view of a data without an information of its physical storage. Next, physical data independence. Physical data independence means changing the physical level without affecting the logical level or conceptual level. We go with normalization. Normalization is a process of organizing the table in a database in such a way that helps in minimal data retention, insertion, deletion, and updation anonymously. There are mainly 4 types of normalization. Thank you. Rewind about this concept. It starts with 3-scheme architecture: internal level, conceptual level, and then external level. Internal level is a internal schema which describes the physical storage structure of a database. The conceptual scheme describes the design of a database at the conceptual level. Conceptual level is also known as logical level. Next, at the external level, a database contains several schemas that sometimes called as subscheme. The subscheme is called that to describe the different view of a database. Next, data model scheme and insets. First, data scheme. The overall scheme design is database is called as scheme. The database scheme is skeleton structure of a database. It represents the logical view of a entire database. Insets. The data which is stored in the database at a particular moment of time is called as distance of a database. Next, data implementation. Data independence. The data independence refers to categorize the being able to modify without altering the scheme at the next higher level. There are two types of data implementation. One is logical data implementation and another one is physical data implementation. Logical data implementation says that the user should be able to manipulate the logical view of a data without any information to the physical storage. Physical data implementation. Physical data implement means changing the physical level without affecting the logical level or competitive level. Next, normalization. Normalization is a process of organizing the table in the database in which a way that helps to minimal data reductions, insertion and deletion of an updated anonymity. Thank you for watching video. Next video comes with the case study and TT activity video.